How to record videos in a way that helps you to attract more engagement and more leads. Hi guys, this is Nilesh Jain, and in this video I am going to share with you the step-by-step method like how you can create and record your videos that helps you to attract more leads and that helps you to get more engagement on your video. So first time if you are watching me right now, then please make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon because and myself Nilesh Jain, I am an affiliate marketer and podcaster as well as. So for that, to share with you the 5 steps how you can record video in a way, I am going to share with you my screen first. So let's get onto the screen, and here is the sharing the slides. So the how to record and create videos in a way that helps you to attract more leads and engagement. So for that, first thing is break the iceberg. First thing is always break the iceberg. What does that mean? Break the iceberg or hook. So iceberg is something that people's query, people's question, or so, or tell them like affiliate marketing is the growing like 1 million or 1 billion or 1 trillion, whatever the number stats you find on your according to your research, right? So that is the break the iceberg. If people have this query, then hook is something that how I start this particular video. I start with the hook, that is how you can record a video that helps you to attract more leads. That is the first step to start your video, to start and creating your video. So break the iceberg and hook the people in first of 1 or 3 seconds, 1 or 5 seconds. How? Because people attention is 1 to 5 seconds, right? So at first, whenever you are started recording a video or you are editing your video, come add the hook part on the front end on first 1 to 10 second hook part. The first thing when you are creating video. Then second point is self introduction, right? How I once I hook you, then the intro video is come, and then what I did, I introduced myself, self introduction, myself Nilesh Jain, and I am doing affiliate marketing. I am a podcaster. I am teaching about organic marketing and so all thing, right? Self introduction. So if someone is watching you for the first time, they started knowing you. Okay, this is Nilesh Jain, or he is doing this part kind of thing, or he is XYZ. He is doing XYZ share market, affiliate marketing, or whatever it is, right? So introduce yourself. Second step is self introduction. Then third, call to comment. Now, call to comment is something that helps you to get more engagement. Call to comment is kind of thing like if from which country you are watching me right now, and if you have anything to share with you can do it. So mostly people are using which country you are watching me right now, or time zone, your time zone, or something that helps to get more engagement. Or mostly as well, they asking question like what type of content you want from our video in the next in future. So call to a comment. Third point. Then content. Content is something that is actually the main thing of your video. Right now you are watching this video because of the your question, and your question is your I'm delivering the content, I'm delivering the solution. What is your problem? Content is all about problem first and then solution. So what is your problem? Like your problem is like how I can record video that helps me to attract more leads, more engagement. So that is the problem that I define. Now solution, I'm giving you a solution like first you do, second you do, third you do, fourth you do, five you do. That is all how you can create content, because content is the main essence of your videos. If it is not great, then definitely people are not going to consume it. Then last one is call to action. Call to action is something like, okay, thank you so much for joining and watching my this video, and thank you so much for staying here with me till the end. I have this PDF guide in the description section where you find more about how you can coming up with the more content ideas, how you can coming up with the more uh, valuable stuff for your videos, for your affiliate marketing, or something that is related to your business, related to your niche. So call to action is actually drive people to your lead magnet, to your world. And call to action is also a kind of please subscribe to my channel. That is also kind of call to action. So This is the five method, this is the five step that you can follow into your YouTube video, Facebook live video, or whatever the video you are doing. If you are editing the video, you can follow this five method. Then that helps you to get more leads, attraction of lead and engagement to your leads. So thank you so much once again for joining this video, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel. You find all the related links, how you can connect with me or following me. All the related links is in the description section. You can find all the links, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, and please share this video to the people who actually need this video. So thank you so much once again. I'll be joining with you another video. Bye.